Hey, great to have you along today. Big Biz Show airs in 110 million television homes every day.
What?
For U2 America and Biz Television Network. It also airs on, so not only are you sitting on your butt in the couch in the living room watching us,
Yeah.
you can also watch us from your mobile device if you happen to have
A mobile device.
BizVod.
Oh, there you go.
You go to BizVOD.
Not only that, you get to watch those fabulous.
You can watch Live High Live. You can watch America Trends here, all the other programs.
Oh, yeah.
You know, we're also on the radio in 150 radio stations across the country, thanks to iHeartRadio, Biz Talk Radio Network. And you know, we're also on the radio worldwide because of American Forces Radio Network. 175 countries and all the ships at sea. Last of all, if you've got Roku or Apple TV or Amazon Fire TV, you can watch it. So we're ineffective in about 13 different areas.
That's right.
It works pretty good there. Hey, joining us today, Rob Davidson. Rob Davidson is the CEO of Cure Pharmaceutical. Cure Pharmaceutical is a publicly traded company. You can go to curepharma.com, curepharma.com, and look at their website. Their stock symbol is CURR. They've got a patented technology, a drug delivery system that replaces the need for swallowing or injecting medicine. Usually it uses a like we call it like a Listerine strip, although it's way more complicated than that.
But that
They've got a
brings it right down.
three-layer technology of the ability to hold multiple active ingredients in one strip. They also have another a company called the join sleepclub.com because they've got the Cure Film sleep strips, which helps you get to sleep. And
Not
stay
the ones
asleep.
that go on the outside of your nose and makes your nose just huge so you don't snore.
No. But also, they've recently announced, per their recent press release, that they entered into a multi-year agreement with a company called Canopy Growth Corporation. Now, we produce a show here on this program, on this network called Live High Live, which Rusty Nails hosts, which is what, Russ?
Thank you. It's a semi-serious look at the world of cannabis. This plant's putting out some fine products, some good drugs that don't get you stoned, if you will. So I am trying to find the doctors and people being treated with that stuff.
I think I found you another guest for your show because Rob Davidson and his company have created an OTF, which is an oral thin film.
Nice.
Okay, cure film to use with cannabis extracts and biosynthetic cannabinoids. And Rob, tell us about that because this is some exciting stuff. This is a really big investment vertical for you guys, is it not?
Yeah, absolutely. We're extremely excited about this partnership with Canopy Growth. We're building out a platform of delivery technologies for them and for their different proprietary cannabinoid molecules to deliver it more effectively to the body. Wow. And one of the key delivery systems is the OTF.
Now, an OTF is oral thin film. That's just basically what you've been talking about since you got on the air with us here. Now, has anybody in that space in the cannabis business? Because we've interviewed a number of cannabis-specific companies, and I don't think I've ever even seen something like this. As far as either a transdermal or an oral sort of delivery system.
Yeah, that's a good question. So there's not a lot of technology out there delivering cannabinoid molecules. That's one of the issues too. A lot of studies are very positive on cannabis for a multitude of indications. And one of the issues with studying the cannabis and the cannabinoid molecules and the endocannabinoid system itself is the ability to deliver these actives effectively. They're very low percentage absorption in the blood, low permeability. So we're able to utilize a multitude of techniques such as the liposomal, phospholipid encapsulation technologies within the thin film technology to help deliver those molecules more effectively. And I think that's why Canopy, really wanted to do the deal with us. They saw what we were doing on the molecule side and on the delivery side. So we're excited. We think the endocannabinoid system itself is the new frontier of medicine. And it's not just cannabis, it's other molecules that actually effectuate uptake in the endocannabinoid system for different disease states and indications. So we're excited to be a part of that, plowing through that new frontier, so to speak.
I'm looking forward to it because the stuff you put under your tongue now tastes so bad. I'm telling you.
Is efficacy better, the same with this type of technology? Because I also saw you have a thing called, I think it's called oral dots or power dots or something like that. Is there a difference between all the efficacies, or is it just a different version of the same delivery system?
Yeah, so the dots were developed for the veterinarian side, actually, for animals, and delivering more effectively actives to animals. The dots were specifically developed for clinical research at the university setting. for the ability to really test new chemical entities and new molecules to see how efficacious they are. Currently, the way they deliver actives to the animals in these studies is very invasive. They shove tubes down their throat and try to get the medicine in. And it actually creates, it can be problematic with some of the research and study outcomes because of how invasive it is. The studies are usually, they have issues with being able to deliver the medication. So we're able to, create a solution for that. And we have some university relationships we're working on. You probably already know in Israel, we're working with Technion Institute on studying cannabis and cannabinoid molecules in cancer. And we're working on several other research projects with several universities across the world.
Israel's way ahead of the curve in their research and deployment and development of all that.
As is
stuff.
Canada. Rob, we want to have you back, man. Nice job. Rob Davidson is his name.
Oh.
He's the CEO of Cure Pharmaceutical.
Great
CurePharmaceutical.com. Beg your pardon, CurePharma.com or CurePharmaceutical.com. Either one will get you there.